With an aim to promote greater solidarity, understanding, cooperation and peace through education and sustainable development in South Asia, South Asia Foundation was formed. Founded by UNESCO Goodwill Ambassador Madanjeet Singh, South Asia Foundation is based in Switzerland and has 7 chapters registered in SAARC countries.
The future is for the young people. So I felt that let us make a movement, a youth movement. Tell them, not just giving them lectures, but tell them through education and sustainable development how important it is for the young people to come together, because it is their survival that is important now, and their survival cannot survive without this regional cooperation.
Voluntary, secular and no-profit youth movement, the foundation was launched in 2001. The activities of SAF are fully in conformity with the spirit, purpose and principles of SAARC Charter.